Today we're going to learn a new topic, rational numbers. Class 8 CBSE. What do we mean by rational numbers? The numbers which can be expressed as a ratio of integers are known as rational numbers. The examples of rational numbers will be 1 by 4, 2 by 7, minus 3 by 10, 34 by 7, etc. On solving equations like 3x by 5 is equivalent to 0, we get the solution as x is equivalent to minus 5 by 3. The solution minus 5 by 3 is neither a natural number or a whole number or an integer. In simple way, we can say rational numbers as a number of the form or a fraction p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equivalent to 0, is called an rational number. Properties of rational numbers. The first property of rational numbers are closure property. So, in closure property are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. In these four, are they used to closure property? So let's see that. Addition. When two rational numbers are added, the resultant is always a rational number. Hence, this operation holds true value according to closure property. For example, 2 by 9 plus 3 by 9 is equivalent to 5 by 9 is a rational number. Next is a subtraction. When two rational numbers are subtracted, the resultant is always a rational number. Hence, this operation holds its true value according to the closure property. Example, minus 3 by 9 minus 2 by 9 is equivalent to minus 1 by 9 is a rational number. Multiplication of a closure property. When two rational numbers are multiplied, the resultant is always a rational number. Hence, this operation holds true value according to closure property. Example, minus 2 by 9 multiplied by 3 by 9 gives us 6 by 18 is a rational number. Next, division. When two rational numbers are divided, the resultant is always a rational number. Hence, the operation holds true value according to closure property. And this is for today, and see you in the next video. If you want to watch more videos, then go and like and subscribe to my channel. Bye, see you next time.